Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we'll be making this beautiful Ankara gown. Let's get started. Fold your fabric into 4 like this. Then go ahead and mark the length of your gown. Now you mark your round armhole. I'm going to be using 11 inches for my round armhole. Now for the width, you take your hip measurement, divide by 4 plus 3 inches. You can decide to add depending on the size of the gown. Now for the neckline, I'm going to be using 3 inches by 1.5 for the back neckline and then 3.5 inches for the front neckline. I want both sides of the gown to go up a little bit, so I'm going to be marking 3 inches and then I'll connect the lines like this. But later on I'm going to take it higher again by 1 inch. We can decide to take it high. It depends on how you want your gown to be. Now I'm going to be folding and cutting out the piece for my neckline. I went ahead to iron hasty on the facing and I doubled it. You can decide to use breast pad, whichever one you want, just to keep it firm. Now for the front slit, I'm going to be marking 4 inches and then I'll sew. Here I just went ahead to open it up and then notch round. Now I'll just go ahead and give it a good press before we continue. To hem the sleeve, I'm going to fold 2 inches and then iron it and sew using 1/2 inch on both sides. I went ahead to add pockets. If you want to know how I did that, I have a video on it. You can just scroll down or check the description box. I'm going to link the video there. So I marked 11 inches, which is the length of the armhole I'm using for this gown, and then I sewed. I also cut out 10.5 inches using 3 yards of fabric, a different Ankara fabric, and then I gathered it to add it to the down part of this gown. It's just a straight skirt. You gather it and then you join it to your gown like this. Very simple. Now to the final part of the gown, which is hemming. I used half an inch round and it came out very well and beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a comment, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you and do have a lovely day.